কিরে
What? Hello, parental peoples.
ক্লাস কেমন হলো?
What? Oof, can't understand my English.
কেমন হলো ক্লাস?
কেমন হলো ক্লাস? What does it mean? কেমন ভালো হলো. Can't speak Bengali also.
আরে তুই ঠিক আছিস তো?
What? ঠিক আছিস তো? ঠিক আছে. Can't speak Bengali also.
আরে তুই কি বলছিস?
Oh my God. I mean, such illiterate. Don't know English, na? Oh my God.
আজকে ইংলিশে কথা বলা শিখলি?
Yes, Father. I learned so many English today. If you wanting to speaking English, you always must be confidence. Confidence is the key of the lock of the English door. Don't understand my English? My God, this is so tough. You don't basic English. He can't basic English also. This is tough. Okay, bye. আসছি.
খাবি আয়।
I have eaten.
কি?
Oh, for God's sake, learn Englishing. Otherwise, how will you survive in the globe? Disappointing.
একটু ইংলিশ শিখে এত উঠছিস?
Oh my God, Daddy. You are so innocenting. This is fee is not investing. Learning Englishing is investmenting. Elon Musk say that, maybe. Hello, my dear best friends. How is you?
আরে কি পাগল নাকি? কি বলছিস?
Oh my God, you also not understanding my Englishing. It's so disappointing. Listen, I want to settle down in England for a few days.
এই ফোন রাখ তো। সকাল সকাল ফোন করছে মদ খেয়ে মাতাল কোথাকার।
So illiterate.